Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to freeze frame clone trail effect with one click. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your device. Now import your video. I have a video here of a boy running in the snow. The next step is to select the video. Then click on the Style button right here. Then go to the Scene Swap section, and you will see a freeze frame effect in here. If it's not here, then look for the effect in other sections. You have two different freeze frame effects here, so select either one and see which one suits you better. Just click it. Now wait a couple of seconds for CapCut to apply your effect. When you do that, you can see the result. Click on the effect one more time if you want to adjust the interval between the two frames or the first freeze time. When you do this, you can see the result and export the video to your photo gallery. That is how you can do the freeze frame effect in CapCut with just one click. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.